Dear friends, welcome to Chanagiri's Nursing Education Tutorials. Previous video I have discussed about the meaning of research. In today's session we will discuss about the definition of research. Here I want to remind you that if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it now and do not forget to share it your friends. Please give your opinion in comment box about the video and lecture. Yes friends, here I am going to quote some important and acceptable definitions given by various authors. Let us begin with the first definition. According to French Ruth, defined, research is an organized investigation of a problem. Research is a problem-solving process, a systematic, intensive study directed towards full scientific knowledge of the subject studied. In this definition, we can stress on the wordings quoted by author, that is, organized investigation of problem, means once you find out the problem, then you need to investigate or carefully examine the problem. Organized investigation means, suppose if you found or formulated the problem, then you need to plan to collect data related to that particular problem systematically. For example, you need to ask question yourself such as what is the problem, where the problem exists actually, who all are affected with this problem, what is the intensity of the problem, whether the problem can be solvable or not, and so on till you get complete information about the problem. Once you collect the data related to problem, then you discuss it with your experts and friends. Yes friends, this all means to be organized investigation. If we see the second part of definition, that is problem solving approach, here author says research is a problem solving approach because it involves systematic steps in process of solving a problem, that is finding out the problem, collecting data related to the problem, analyzing data, fixing the priorities, collecting the best possible solution for a problem, choosing best solution, implementing the planned action and evaluation. I hope you are understanding the major concept of the definition, and if you face any difficulty in understanding, please comment in the comment box that I will explain you in next video. Next, if we see the third part of the definition, that is intensive study directed towards full scientific knowledge of the subject studied. Friends, research involves science in solving problem because the term investigation itself is a scientific in nature, and here we are investigating a problem in systematic way, applying statistical methods to bring out the results which give us scientific knowledge of a subject studied because it has evidences of investigation. This is about the definition quoted by French Ruth. For your better understanding, let me discuss one more definition given by Arnold Lancaster. That is, research may be defined as planned, systematic search for information for the purpose of increasing the total body of man's knowledge. It involves looking for information which at the time is not available, or for which that available, or for which that has no generally accepted evidence. So this is little bit similar to the definition what we have discussed just now, but here author have given stress on increasing the body of man's knowledge, because what we are going to get from research? Knowledge, isn't it? So author says research help in increasing the knowledge of mankind, and also he described that the research involves looking for information which at that time is not available. For example, the knowledge about COVID-19 was not existed before. Now we are getting the knowledge about COVID-19 after doing research on that. And also here author says if knowledge is available regarding the particular fact or problem, then also we can do the research on the same problem to improve existing knowledge. For example, again I want to quote here COVID-19. In first few days when coronavirus was invented or found out, that is in October to December 2019, the WHO declared it as endemic disease. Later on, after investigation, it declared as epidemic. When it spread throughout the world, it is declared as pandemic. In earlier days, it was declared as it spread through close contact with infected person. Later on, they said it is droplet infection. Now they are saying it is an airborne disease. Here, what I mean to say is, as we are go on doing research on a particular problem on different aspects, we will get newer knowledge about that particular fact. In next part of the definition, author says that even though some results or solutions are not acceptable for some people, what investigator drawn out may not be feasible in some regions of the earth because of diversity. For such problems, the research is conducted again and again on particular problem to find out best possible solution. By these two definitions, we can come to a conclusion that research is careful, systematic, organized problem solving approach. Research is conducted on particular problem to enhance the body of man's knowledge. Research can be done on newer problem for which knowledge is not yet available. Research can be done on those problems which are already done but need some improvement or modification in the result, or whose information or whatever the information available is insufficient or unaccepted by many people. Dear friends, I hope all of you have understood the definition of research. Dear friends, this session we have discussed about definition of research. In next section, we will discuss about the characteristics of research. Till that time, take care. Thank you for being with me and watching as well as listening the video. Thank you.